everybody, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Jaden.
And this is Luna. Luna, look over here. And we are going on a hike, or I don't know if it's really a hike, it's a nature walk here in St. Augustine, Florida. It's a conservation area not far from our house that is called 12 Mile Swamp. And I don't know what to expect, we've never been there. This will be Luna's first hike. I don't know if it's a hike because Florida's flat, but I don't know if there will be covered trails or if it's a dirt path. I know that it looks like it's about 2 miles long. I could be totally wrong. I was just looking at the map yesterday and that's what it looked like to me. And yeah, it rained. It's rained for the past couple days, so I'm sure we're gonna have some mud.
Yes.
So I just wanted to go through some things that we're gonna bring with us today. I have Luna's reflective harness because we're still working on recall training and don't trust her to be out there without a leash. So she will be on leash, so you take that. The next thing is going to be her leash. And since I don't know what to expect there, we're bringing her short leash. We're not going to bring her long leash. And attached to that, of course, are her poop bags, because we want to be good people.
Mm-hmm.
You want to show this one?
Yes, please. This is her water bottle, and you just press this button to let the water out.
Into here.
And we have extra water just in case this is not enough.
Yeah, that's right. But like we said, it is a short trail, so it probably will be enough. Then I'm going to bring a waist bag. My phone will go in the big pocket, but in this pocket I have her treats. I have her cookies, and then I have her her training treats, and then over here in this pouch I have her clicker in case we can end up doing an impromptu training session. But the last thing Jaden has.
We have a little ball that squeaks, just in case we have an opportunity to play fetch, but she doesn't really know fetch that well. She's still learning it, but maybe we can try to teach her today.
Yep. And we're going to film a little bit of the trail and bring you guys along with us. We're going to stop for some food first. It's a very cloudy Florida day. But Casper wants some Chick-fil-A.
Yep.
And I'm reading my favorite book series,
What's it called?
Wings of Fire.
See you at Chick-fil-A.
See ya.
So we got our sandwiches. I got the spicy chicken deluxe. Jaden got some chicken tenders. And Casper got the regular Chick-fil-A sandwich. And we had to drive 20 minutes, actually 40 minutes both ways out of our way. Because this place is only like 5 minutes from our house. But it was worth it. And we're parked here now, so we're just going to eat our food and then we're going to go in.
And there's a great...
We just walked in. That's the entrance right there. So it looks like it's going to be a dirt path. It's not too, it's not muddy right now where we are. And it's not too hot for Florida. Ooh, that's a big... Jaden, look at that. There's a horse here.
There was?
Yeah, horse.
Oh yeah, that's horse poop.
There's horse poop. Jaden found herself a big old walking stick in case we run into a black bear.
It was your idea, Mom.
All of the smells.
Does it say anything about how the person died?
Nope.
Luna! I think it might be bagged dog poop or something. I don't know. Yeah. Luna! found our first mud puddle. But I just looked up the trail map and it looks like it's about 2.8 miles round trip. I'm not sure if we're going to do the whole thing. This is Luna's first time and we have Jaden with us, but we're going. Don't go in the water, Luna.
Daddy. Hi. You want to take my phone back? Okay. Thank you, Daddy. Look, Luna, we're leaving you. Ha ha ha. Sorry, Dad.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh no. All right, let's go.
Yeah, it might. But there, it might not.
Pretty. Luna does not like to be the last one in line. She wants to be up front. Oh, don't drink that, babe. She wants to run with her.
Luna. Get that sand off of your face. That sand.
All right. Can you lock? Jaden, come on.
Come on, Luna. Let's put it down.
The sticks weren't for bears, but they definitely could be used for gators and snakes. Welcome to Florida. I think we've walked over a mile already, so we might just go ahead and finish it. I have your camera. I have your phone. They're so cute. Yeah, we haven't seen anybody on the trail, but there are footprints.
My phone, please. Daddy, watch out.
And look, we got deer footprints.
Oh, cool.
That is so cool.
Hooves. Swamp deer. Typical dachshund. Luna.
Definitely getting her dachshund instincts. Oh my gosh, she's putting them right.
Nice. Now you have dirt in your shoe. Come on, Luna.
Come on, Luna.
Luna! You're pulling your sister.
Just her all over her mouth. Eating dirt.
I wonder why she does that. That's cute though. Look at
Are you trying to take the China?
She's really good at digging. Next time I need a hole dug, I'm gonna just get a stick and poke it in the ground.
It's so funny. She's having a blast, man.
People are going to be like coming to this channel and they're going to be like, what the heck was that?
halfway done because here's the bend. And neither of the girls is tired yet, so I definitely think we can finish. Yep, we're not going that way. So this might be boring to watch. I don't know, because it's very flat and there's not a lot to see on this trail. But in about 2-3 weeks, maybe, I think 3 weeks, we're going to be going to Georgia, to the Blue Ridge Mountains there, and there's supposed to be some really cool trails with waterfalls and rope bridges.
We'll film those.
Yeah, we'll film those as well.
I got bitten by something. I'm sure Luna did too. Look at that.
I'm glad it's not like super hot. It's like, oh my goodness. Huh, could be an ant.
Could be a fire ant?
Yeah.
Probably.
But I'm glad we did this. I'm having a lot of fun. It's like 66 degrees or something like that, so it's not cold, but it's not hot either. And surprisingly, no mosquitoes.
Oh, I see someone. Far back.
You do? Oh, we might pass some people.
Wait, are you still filming?
Yeah. Luna might have to.
She started digging. Next thing you know, our backyard's going to be a total mess.
Donkey.
And in the morning, Jaden's making waffles.
Should I throw this?
It's a leaf? Sure. Pine cone. It didn't break the surface, huh? We're waiting for the slowpokes. We are back at the crossroads. So like, we walked down there. We came from over there. Then we walked down there and basically made a big square. And now we're coming out over here. So we're almost done. Luna, are they slow? Luna. Luna. Come on, slowpokes. Come on.
I love her.
We are at the end. I can see our car. So Luna, where is she? Right there. Luna and Jaden is way back there. But they both did really, really well. It's 2.8 miles, so it wasn't it wasn't too difficult of a nature walk, but they still did great. There's the exit. I'm hoping to shoot or to film more videos like this. So if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll get more content like this out in the near future. Thank you for watching. Bye. I think Luna is going to sleep really well after this, though.
See, this is Stephanie reporting out, signing out. Say it.
This is Stephanie
Like the Ninja
signing
Turtles lady.
out. That was April.
Whatever.
April something.